I just took out this giant wad of... There's a giant wad of a Drip-O-Lator. Supposed to be a 4-cup Drip-O-Lator. Look at this bundle. Revere Ware had 2 different kinds of these filter baskets. One with minimal holes, which is this one, and one with a lot of holes. Now the inside looked really awful in the picture. I don't know if you can tell, but it's going to need some cleaning. Bottom looked like someone had cleaned the bottom recently, because that's pretty bright copper. But it's a process patent, double ring, and the lid with the little hole. There's a little hole! That is a really tight fit. I found a picture of one of these in a print ad from the 60s. I think it was 1961. The metal drip plate. So we put the coffee in there, drop this in on top, pour in the hot water, put the lid on, and the hole in the lid will help slow down the water dripping down. You get a nice trickle. I saw a video on YouTube where the guy said it took like 11 minutes. Should we clean her up? Let's clean her up. We're making 2 cups this morning. This took roughly 12 minutes. Mugs of today are larger than mugs of yesterday. I used 2 cups exactly of water. Let's see how much we get. Not even 1.5 cups. Just remember that 2 cups of water does not make 2 cups of coffee in these old drippers. You know, I don't like my coffee black. I'm sorry, I just don't. Vintage coffee drip maker, Revere Ware. Oh, that's delicious. That might be one of the best I've had yet. Try again. Oh, I like that. That's a good cup of joe. Let's see what kind of sludge we have. If there's sludge in here. Very little. Wow. Okay, now I did pour this whole thing out, so if there's sludge probably in here. That is very clear. I'm happy with what's left in here. This would have filtered faster, obviously. I used the less holed one. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, there's sludge. Oh, there's sludge. Oh, yeah. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. there's just a little sludge. That's pretty good, I'd say. That's better than I thought. I'm happy with that.